Namaskar.
We are students from Cultural Society of Law College Dehradun, faculty of Uttaranchal University, and today, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, we are here to celebrate it on an online mode owing to the pandemic.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस प्रतिवर्ष 21 जून को मनाया जाता है। पहली बार यह दिवस 21 जून 2015 को मनाया गया, जिसकी पहल 2014 में भारतीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा में अपने भाषण से की।
He suggested the date of 21st June as it is the longest day of the year in the Northern Hemisphere and shares a special significance in many parts of the world.
योग एक शारीरिक, मानसिक व आध्यात्मिक अभ्यास है जिसे अपने जीवन में अपना के हम अवसाद, तनाव, व्यग्रता इत्यादि समस्याओं से बच या उभर सकते हैं। इसी संदर्भ में आज हम छात्र एक वीडियो प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं।
व्यायामात् लभते स्वास्थ्यम दीर्घायुष्मं परम सुखम आरोग्यम परम भाग्यम स्वास्थ्यम सर्वार्थ साधनम। अर्थात व्यायाम से स्वास्थ्य, लंबी आयु, बल एवं सुख की प्राप्ति होती है। निरोगी होना परम भाग्य है और स्वास्थ्य से अन्य सभी कार्य सिद्ध होते हैं। नमस्कार, मैं अमृतराज दुबे लॉ कॉलेज देहरादून उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी के BA LLB फर्स्ट ईयर का छात्र हूँ। आज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योगा दिवस के अवसर पर मैं पश्चिमोत्तानासन करने जा रहा हूँ। और हाँ, कोरोना जैसी गंभीर बीमारी से लड़ने के लिए हमें नहीं भूलना है 2 गज दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी। पश्चिमोत्तानासन करने से अनेक फायदे हैं। यह आसन मन को शांत करता है। इस आसन का नियमित रूप से अभ्यास करने से पाचन में सुधार होता है। चिंता, सिर दर्द, थकान, मोटापा कम करने के लिए यह फायदेमंद है। इसे करने से शरीर में खिंचाव उत्पन्न होता है, जिससे दर्द से छुटकारा मिलता है।
Hello everyone, happy International Yoga Day. Today I, Diksha Dubey, student of BLLB Section A, will tell you the benefits of Uttanasana, that is forward bend. This yoga asana calms your brain and helps in relieving stress. It also stimulates the kidneys and liver and it helps in digestion. Thank you.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Anurit Kaur, étudiant de l'UA. On the occasion of Yoga Day, I will be doing Chakrasana. Chakrasana, popularly called the wheel pose, is linked to many health benefits, including better lung function. It is a deep back bend posture and gives flexibility and strength to the spine. Apart from strengthening your spine, it elongates your spinal cord and increases elasticity. It's common knowledge that our skeletal frame starts to shrink with age. This asana helps maintain your posture and form. Regular practice ensures that the obliques and the abdominal fat are reduced, increases lung capacity and helps oxygen circulate in the body easily. Due to stimulation of the thyroid and pituitary glands when engaged in the posture, happy hormones are secreted. It energizes and de-stresses you. This exercise stretches the hip while increasing hip flexibility. As the chest is pushed out, the cardiovascular health improves. The energy is activated. It strengthens your arms, shoulders and wrists.
Shiva 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 Shambho, Shiva 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 Shambho, Shiva 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 Shambho, Shiva 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 Shambho.
Namaste. My name is Mangalebi Ongnam from Manipur, pursuing BA LLB Honours at Law College Dehradun, faculty of Uttaranchal University, and I am going to perform Purna Titli Asan, the butterfly pose. This pose is known for its benefits in relieving stress and lifting your spirits. It also helps in overcome fatigue. Bring your feet near your body and clasp your feet with both of your hands together. Lift your knees up and down, and try to touch your knee on the ground.
Hello everyone, I am Paki Kansal from BLLB Honors Section B, and today I am going to perform Halasan or the plow pose. One of the noticeable benefits of Halasan is the extreme stretch that it gives right from the neck to your tailbone. Organs like thyroid, kidney and pancreas are stimulated through this. Halasan normalizes high blood pressure. It is helpful for women suffering from menstrual disorders. It also helps in improving memory.
Hi, my name is Meet Bhalla. I am from BA LLB Section A. Today I will be doing Trikonasana. Before starting, I would like to give you a quick reminder, that is 2 गज दूरी मास्क है ज़रूरी.
Hi, happy International Yoga Day to all of you. Myself Divyansh from BLLB Section A of Law College Dehradun. तो आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक योगा परफॉर्म करने जाऊंगा जो कि बहुत ही पॉपुलर फॉर्म है योगा का, जो है सूर्य नमस्कार. सूर्य नमस्कार के बेनिफिट्स ये हैं कि वो आपके बैक पेन को रिलीफ देता है और आपकी इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट अप करता है, जो कि इस कोविड के टाइम में बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. तो आइए करते हैं उसको. और हाँ, एक और चीज़, जैसा कि आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं, मैंने मास्क लगा रखा है, तो आप भी घर पर रहिए, मास्क लगाइए और योगा डे को घर पर ही मनाइए.
I'm Uttaranchal from BLB Honors Section E. Happy International Yoga Day to everyone. It's a humble request. Please stay at your homes, wear your mask properly, and enjoy doing yoga in your homes. Today I'm going to tell you about a yoga pose which is known as Uttaranchal or the camel pose. It is a back bend pose and it has very good benefits. Like it reduces the thyroid problems, the backache problems, the cervical problems and many more. And it also helps to stretch many muscles. Now I'll tell you how to perform this asana.
So begin by sitting in Vrajasana. Basically, you have to stand on your knees, widening your legs properly. Inhale and exhale, pushing your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms down to the ankles. To relax this posture, inhale and exhale and relax in Vrajasana. These are the main muscles which stretches while doing this asana.
Hello, I'm Himani Upadhyay from Law College Dehradun, currently pursuing BA LLB Honours, and today I'm here to present Vrikshasana. The term Vrikshasana is derived from two Sanskrit words Vriksh, that is tree, and Asan, which means posture. Hence, it is also called the tree pose. Vrikshasana is primarily a balancing posture, and it aids in improving balance, both physical and emotional. Just as a tree is able to balance while staying firmly rooted, the posture aims to keep your body and mind from wandering and stay balanced while being in the moment. It also strengthens the legs and opens the hips. It improves neuromuscular coordination while helping with balance, endurance, alertness, and concentration. Thank you.
So hello everyone, myself Muskan Ali from BA LLB Section A, and today I am going to perform Balasana, also known as Child's Pose.
Gently stretches your lower back, hips, thighs, knees and ankles. Relaxes your spine, shoulders and neck. Increases blood circulation to your head. Massage your internal organs and keep them supple.
calm the body, mind, and central nervous system, relieve stress, fatigue, and tension.
Hello everyone, happy International Yoga Day. Myself Isha Chauhan pursuing BLLB from Uttaranchal University. Today my yoga asan is Matsya Asan, fish pose. But first there were some benefits of this asan is it relieves tension in your throat, neck and your shoulders. It improves your postures. It aids the immune system and improves your blood circulation.
Everyone, my name is Javne Jaggi and I am from BALLB Section A, and I have chosen Falakasan, which helps to strengthen core muscles including abdominal and back.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today on the occasion of International Yoga Day, I, Aditi Sharma of Law College Dehradun, the student of BA LLB first year, will going to perform Gomukh Asana. It is also known as cow face yoga. It is good for back pain, muscles pain, neck pain as well as for the cervical pain. It is good for the patient suffering from asthma, diabetes and the patient suffering from lung diseases. It also help in strengthening your back.
Bend your knees. Bring your left foot underneath your right knee. Stack your right knee directly on top of the left. Raise the right arm above your head. Bend the elbow. Simultaneously bring the left hand behind the back with a bent elbow. Interlock your hands behind your back. Breathe. Exhale. Release your arms. Uncross your legs.
Hello everyone, I am Shivangi Chand from Law College Dehradun, currently pursuing BA LLB. Today I am going to show you Veerbhadra Asan, also known as Warrior Pose 1. Benefit of this yoga asan is it strengthens the shoulders and arms and muscles of the back. It increases the flexibility in the shoulder, hip, leg and feet. Practicing this pose will stretch out our body and increase our core strength.
Hello everyone, my name is Shri. I am the student of Uttaranchal University. I am pursuing BLLB honors from there. Today I am going to perform the Vajrasana, also known as the thunderbolt posture in English. For doing Vajrasana, first we had to sit in the position of Dandasana. For this we had to join our both legs and relax our body. We had to bend our body towards right and fold our left leg, and then we had to bend our body towards left and fold our right leg. And please ensure while doing Vajrasana that your both thumbs are touching each other. Both the thumbs of your leg should touch each other. Benefits of doing Vajrasana. Vajrasana is really helpful for those who are suffering from leg pain. It is also helpful in getting relief from the back pain.
Hari Om. Inner peace comes when you relax your body, quiet your mind and open your heart. Good morning. My name is Ayushi Kashyap and I am from BLLB second year.
The asana which I am performing is Sarvangasana. The benefits of this asana are by pressing the chest against the chin. This asana stimulates the thyroid gland, balancing the circulatory, digestive, reproductive, nervous and endocrine system. Regular practice helps to prevent cough, cold and flu.
So my name is Diksha
Shri from Law College Dehradun, and I'm currently pursuing BA LLB Honours. Today the asana which I'm going to perform is Padmasana, also known as Lotus Pose. Padmasana, also known as Lotus Pose, is basically sitting cross-legged with the spine vertically straight, making it ideal for meditation and concentration. Padmasana is derived from the word Padma, meaning lotus, and San, meaning sit or throne. The benefits of doing Padmasana or lotus pose are: it opens up the hips, stretches the ankles and knees, calms the brain, increases awareness and attentiveness, keeps the spine straight, helps develop good posture, restores energy level. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Bhatt from BBA LLB Section A. Today I am going to perform Bitil Asana in front of you all, which is also known as cat pose. The benefits of this asana are as follows. This asana helps in relieving the stress and tension from the body. This asana gives flexibility to the entire body. It not only helps in stretching the neck but also the abdomen, hip and the backbone.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today, on account of International Yoga Day, I, Neetu Banduni, BLLB first year student, is going to perform Bhujang Asana. It is also known as Cobra stretching, which helps in the strengthening of your back. Also, it helps in increasing the blood circulation level and helps in toning of your buttock, and also it helps in the strengthening of your abdominal organs, and it acts as a therapy for asthma. In case you are having back pain, then you should not prefer to go for this.
Warm greeting to everyone. Today, I, on the behalf of the Culture Committee, extend my heartiest gratitude to Professor Dr. Rajesh Bhaguna, Dean, Law College, Dehradun, and Ms. Kanchan Anand, Assistant Professor and Chairperson of Culture Committee, for guiding and supporting us for this online event. Further, I want to thank all the members of the Culture Committee for their support to make this event happen. Thank you all.